In this video, we'll register for a BIMPlus account and upload our first all-plan model. On BIMPlus.net, we'll go to Get Started and follow the Register Now instructions. Fill in the username, email, and password. If you are an all-plan user, you can enter your customer ID to get the proper BIMPlus account type. Fill in the remaining fields. Finally, fill in the security code and press the Register Now button. The first part was successful. You'll receive a confirmation email. Once you get the confirmation email, just press the link in it. Here we can see the registration was successful and that we can log in. Back on the BIMPlus web page, we can now log in. Just fill in your new credentials and press Login Now. The next step will be to create a team. After filling in these fields, we'll press Save. Just scroll down the page and hit the last button. All steps have been completed. We can now upload a model. On your BIMPlus dashboard, you can go to Open Project, where you'll find some sample projects. You can use these samples to get familiar with the BIMPlus environment. In Allplan, one way to upload a model is to go to File, Export, Upload Model to BIMPlus. You will be asked to log in. Over here, you'll see the two teams you're part of. By hitting the 2+ icons, you'll create a project in which you'll upload the model. Once that is done, you can upload the model. Back in BIMPlus, you should now be able to see your model.